Okay, my name is Tristan Nguyễn. This tutorial will cover about Fosuserbundle, the very famous bundle in Symfony 2. As you know, Symfony security component provides a flexible security framework that allows you to load user from the configuration from the database or everything anywhere else you can imagine. The Fosuserbundle here, Fosuserbundle built on top of security and it's what it quick and easy to store user in the database. So in case you want to persist or fetch a user in your system to and run a database, then you are right place. Right now I will install Symfony 2.8 and also so I can install Fosuserbundle 2.0 version. About translation, Fosuserbundle also provides some default steps provided in this bundle. You have to make sure you have translator in okay, you make sure you this translator here to enable it. Some steps to install Fosuserbundle. We have 7 steps. Okay, we need 7 steps. First, we will download Fosuserbundle using composer, and second step, we enable the bundle, and third step will be create the user class, and fourth, this step will we will configure security and configure Fosuserbundle, and also we import some routing of Fosuserbundle, and finally we will update your database and create some demo data for Fosuserbundle. Okay, let's get started. The first step. Okay. Okay. We start install it. Okay, it's finished now. Right. Okay, we move to okay, we move to the step 2, enable the bundle. Okay, we open the app kernel, new. Okay, okay, we move to step 3, create a user lab. The goal of this bundle is to persist some user lab to a database, for example MySQL, MongoDB or CodeDB. Your first job is to create the user lab for your application. This lab can look and act however you want. Add any property or method you find useful. This is your user lab. The bundle providers base classes which are already mapped for the most view to make it easily to create your entity. Here is how you use it. First one, okay, extend the base user lab from the model user if you are using any of doctrine. And the second, map the ID field is what rotated as it inherits from the parent labs. Okay, there are some notes about when you extend from the mapped super labs provided by the bundle, don't redefine it. The mapping for the other field it is provided by the bundle, and the truthing And the second thing is, if you override the contract methods in your user class, be sure to call parent construct, because it depend on the payload to initial some fields. Okay, let's make the first doctrinal. Okay, doctrine or rm user class. Okay, we go to create a new directory entity, add new file. Okay, add this logic. Okay, look like we missing something. Okay, add that one. I use the first user because the user is reversed keyword in SQL standard. If you need to use reversed words, please browse with static. Okay, in my case. Okay, we will move to the configure the application security. In order to Symfony's security component to use Fosuserbundle, you must tell it to do so in security.yml file. The security.yml file is where the basic security configuration for your application is contained. Okay, go to security. Okay, first one we will need to add encoder. Okay, here. Okay, we will set the provider. Okay, I will add more firewall here. Okay, add this to the main firewalls. Okay, we will add more plugin register. Reset then. Okay, under the provider we have here, we have making the we are using the bundle bucket user provider service are variable VAI the alias for user bundle. The ID of bundle user provider service is, and it is the ID of it for user bundle user provider username. Okay, net about the firewall. In this, when we put the phone login here. Okay, this will tell a Symfony framework that anytime a request is made to this firewall, it will lead to an authenticate himself. And if the user will redirect to a form where he will be able to enter his credentials, it should come and no surprise. Then you have to specify the provider service here. You can see here this provider service will delay to what the user service here will join into the authentication process. Okay, now move to asset control. Asset control section is where you specify the credentials necessary for user trying to access specific part of your application, for example, admin or login. Okay, the require the bundle requires that the login form and on the router you to create a user's register or login or resetting would be available to authenticated users, but use the same firewall and the space you want to securely return the bundle. This is why you have specific that any request matching with this login register will you authenticated anonymously, but with you admin will require raw admin. Okay, you should remember this one when we must use this to give to the firewall with the Fosuserbundle is configured in. You will use this in the next step when you configure the Fosuserbundle. Okay, we will move to the step 5, configure the Fosuserbundle. Okay, we will go to the config and add add this configuration. Remember we must use the firewall main and the user last will bound to this file. Okay, open the entity and user room email. Okay, we will move to the next step, import for user routing. So we go to the routing box. Okay, Fosuserbundle resource config routing and on. Okay, in order to use the built-in email functionality, configuration account, resetting the password, you must activate and configure the script mailer bundle. Okay, last part we will update the database schema. Okay, I missed some error here. Let's fix it. Okay, we missing here button and form login. Okay, every management for you form login. Okay, let's update again. Okay, let's fix this. We should add this mailer user in the parameter here. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, we meet another error about user. Okay, I will update the parameters dot yml. Okay, after updating some information, I run it again. Okay, we will automatically create database by okay, right. Now update it again. Okay, right. Now we can check the connection to the database. Okay, perfect. force user here. Okay, see, there are no record in this table. We can use the force user bundle to create it. Okay, I here I create test user with test Gmail and with password ENA. Okay, some error here. Let's put it. Okay, here I enter put down the username, email or password. Here I will put it manually. Okay, some error happen. I think it is the core. Okay, I think I figured it out. So we should create a test user with super admin. Okay, so after some change at the code of user bundle, I can create the user now. Okay, we can check here. Okay, now we have a test user. Let's go log it in. Okay, see, we have a login here with an A login. Okay, thank you for your watching. Now you can, I hope you guys can understand and have an overview about Force User Bundle. We will continue more about many. We will continue and I will introduce to you many articles about Force User Bundle. Thank you for your watching.